My name is Danny Garcia. I am a defense attorney based in Arizona. Our law firm handles cases nationwide. I'm focused and have been focused for many years on pre-file investigation cases regarding felony investigations. I say felony because these are more serious cases where the investigation can go on for some time, and there might be a statute of limitations over years where law enforcement can investigate a case before they actually bring the charge. However, it's very important that someone like yourself, if you are being accused of a crime or a detective is talking to you or you're a suspect in a crime or letting you know, that you talk to an attorney as quickly as possible. In fact, if you're looking at this video right now because you're worried that you're involved in a crime and you need to talk to someone, then please contact us as soon as possible, because these investigations start quickly and the detectives that work on them try to solve them as quickly as they can. And what I mean by that is that they're going to bring charges to a prosecutor as quickly as they can if they have enough information. What they don't tell you is that they're only investigating the case from their case theory, on their side, which is pointing at you as a suspect, which means they don't do any investigation to show things that would show that you're not guilty or not culpable of the charge. Oftentimes, clients feel that they need to talk to law enforcement and tell them why they didn't do something wrong. And oftentimes what happens is the officers or detectives simply use that information against them to bring the charge, to verify information, where you actually need to contact an attorney, talk to them about the facts in a privileged communication, and then possibly talk with detectives. Now, in these cases, there's a lot of things that attorneys can do and what I have been able to do for my individual clients. For example, if there is an investigation going on and I know that the detectives are not looking to help my client out, they're not even interviewing witnesses who are there because those witnesses would benefit my client. And so we've actually had to either hire an investigator or reach out ourselves and try to set up interviews, which may include the detective who wasn't even looking for that witness. And we would contact them, see if they're able to talk with us and with the detective and get that information on paper. The reason why that's important is because it's not the detective, it's not law enforcement who decides whether you get charged with a felony. It's actually a prosecutor. And I used to be a prosecutor for many years, and I actually reviewed these cases to decide whether they should be charged or they should be dismissed, and which means don't bring them at all, okay? So sometimes the detectives are missing information. One case, they didn't have a video because someone else took the video, but they never tried to track down this video, and I provided that video to the prosecutors who ultimately dismissed the case. The detectives were never going to find that video, nor did they have any intent to do so. That's just one example of how being proactive and getting an attorney from the moment you believe you may have been involved in a crime will help you. And I know that I can provide that help to you. And we're looking forward to be able to provide that help so that we can hopefully ensure that you're never charged with a crime in the first place. If you were to be charged with a crime later, these pre-file investigations are pre-file charges and investigations are done this way, where I bring in clients during this time frame. And if they get charged later, which we always hope they do not, we still apply what they've paid to a bigger case. And that actually is an advantage to our clients. So they're prepared and have an attorney ready if a charge goes forward. These are all things that I've done for clients in the past, and I'd be happy to help you or loved one do the same. So go ahead and give us a call today at 602-755-5555.